Hey everybody, and welcome to this week's special edition of Market Minutes. We are here on location at 9 Orchard Way South in the ever popular Falls Orchard subdivision of Potomac. This is our listing that we've been working really hard on bringing to market. This is a 6-level, 6-bedroom, 5 full bath, 3,400 square feet finished space. About 10 years ago, the current owners actually expanded off the back of the main level to put in a primary suite. This is a half-acre lot, perfectly flat, right off 270, walk to Starbucks, walk to Harris Teeter, all the restaurants at Park Potomac. This is what you've been waiting for. Come on in, let's take a look.
All right, walking in the front door here, you are immediately met with just the massive size of this house. Falls Orchard is known for its bigger houses and its bigger lots, but this is the largest I've seen on the block. This huge picture window in the living room is just gathering tons of natural light for this room. Originally, there was a wall that separated the dining space from the kitchen. They've taken that down to create this eat-in kitchen area, huge area. I think that an island could go really well in here. The sellers put this primary suite addition off the back of the first floor. So you have this massive bedroom with sitting area. You have this area that I would make into a walk-in closet, and then a nicely updated bathroom. Moving upstairs to the first level, you have the original 3-bedroom and 2-bath setup here, with one being a primary with a ensuite bathroom. And then going up a couple more stairs, we have this great vaulted ceiling bedroom with walk-in closet. I would use this as my home office, maybe a playroom for kids. Gets a ton of natural light with these skylights. The sellers also finished the attic space. So you go up a couple more stairs and there's yet another 6th bedroom, and this vintage yellow full bathroom that I'm here for. Great kids bathroom, or even a teenager to kind of take over the space would be pretty ideal. Back downstairs, a couple stairs down from the main level, we have this massive family room, which is really like a dual purpose room. I always say you could float a couch here, put something behind it, and have some storage area or another play space, maybe for young kids. This exposed brick fireplace is awesome. I would do some built-ins here and really make it awesome. They've done recessed lighting in this room, but it's also above grade. So there's all these windows here that are also capturing this natural light. In the back of this level, you do have a laundry room / mud room with an outside entrance to the backyard. And you do have a full bathroom as well. Moving to the lower level, you have this unfinished space, which is again just great for storage. And the yard doesn't disappoint either. I mean, this is a flat, over half-acre lot. They have this raised garden here that is really nice. And where you're close to Ritchie Park Elementary, you're just a couple feet from the back entrance of there. Again, you can walk to all that Park Potomac has. This is going to check a lot of boxes. We anticipate that we get some good offers and some good looks at this week.
All right, guys, that does it for this week's Market Minutes. Thanks for tuning in and taking a tour of 9 Orchard with us. We are going to be open this Saturday from 12 to 2 and again on Sunday from 1 to 4, so please stop on by. As always, if you know anybody that's getting into the market and could use our help, we'd love to be in touch with them. Tune in next week, another Market Minutes. Bye, guys.